honestly, how can you sit here and watch all of this? I'm only filming because it's kind of weird to just cut it. I mean, this is cool to see in person, but like a video of this, I mean, this is boring as hell to watch. I like seeing the engines though. I don't know shit about trains, but I don't know how you can watch just these cars go by. Like the semi-truck trailers, that was actually kind of neat. I don't know, because they're like new, but this is honestly kind of just boring. If you hear this part, comment, because I don't think anybody will actually watch the video in its entirety. They'll watch the locomotive, skip fast forward to the end of the train, and then that's it. I mean, that's what I do. But I don't really even watch these train videos. Lucid. Three minutes. 3 minutes and 30 seconds I should have. Now. What does that even say? It looks like garbage. It looks like a Mickey Mouse clubhouse. Like his ears, you know, the face. I'm talking to myself. Nobody will ever watch this part of the video. Oh, look at that. It's like vibrating and it's got like rust all over the side. Wow. When will it end? Bogus. Oh, flocks? Bogles. Okay. Thought it said bogus, but it's just bog and then LS. Just gibberish. What does that say? I can't read any of this shit. I don't know. Ooh, look at this. It's back to the, what is it? Semi-trailer cart part. The interesting part. Nobody cares about intermodal trains. They're everywhere. If you go to California, every single train ever made is an intermodal train. Actually, wait. Those say intermodal on them. Are these intermodal trains too? I don't know. I just call them semi-truck. Ooh, that one has a flat tire. Ooh. These are obviously quite old. So these aren't new. Oh, these are like the port trailers. These are the trailers that go on like ports. Why did they not take them off the wheels? Were they too lazy? Did they just like throw, like, oh, let's just put the trailers on. We don't have enough time. Because you can tell, like it looks like these are designed to carry two on top of each other. Oh, and there's not even any locomotives at the end. All right. I like seeing the end of a train though. This is kind of neat. Get real close because it's just the end. Yeah, look at that. It goes around the corner. That's pretty nice. Hear that beautiful squeak. Oh God, that's a nice noise. Five minutes and 50 seconds. You probably just watched about 30 seconds of the locomotives in the end. I don't blame you. There's a piece of shit I gotta drive home.